Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by proving you control the domain, so add the required DNS-TXT or file challenge. Once validated, request an SSL/TLS certificate. Choose DV for speed, OV/EV for identity. Make sure to pick a valid key size, 2048-bit minimum. Generate a CSR on your server. If you use a CA service, follow its automated ACME flow to get a certificate file and chain. After retrieval, store the private key securely and prepare your web server for installation. You now install the cert, key, and intermediate chain into your web server or load balancer. Make sure file permissions restrict access to the private key. Next, configure virtual hosts to listen on port 443 and enforce redirect rules from port 80 to HTTPS. This ensures no cleartext access. Once done, harden TLS. Enable TLS1. 3. Remove weak ciphers and set HSDS with a reasonable max age. Finally, enable OXP stapling and test for perfect forward secrecy. You should run tests from multiple tools: SSL Labs, curl-v, and browser dev tools to confirm the certificate chain, hostname match, and TLS version. Once validated, automate renewals via ACME clients or scheduled tasks so certificates never expire. Set monitoring and alerts for 30-day expiry. If something breaks, check the chain order, ensure the private key matches the cert, inspect firewall rules and redirect loops, and verify server supports required protocols. One key tip: rotate keys if compromise is suspected.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.